high traffic areas, we do recommend either to be concrete, tile, or vinyl flooring. We had problems where the rubber, because of its porosity that it has, it soaks in the dirt, spills, coke, coffee, everything, and it's noticeable, very noticeable. And when we go ahead and do the scrub or strip and wax, it's very hard for it to come off. I do believe for a pristine flooring, a good scrub every 3 to 6 months, depending on the foot traffic, a good sealer or wax depending on the flooring. We do provide strip, wax, and sealed services on epoxy floor, on vinyl, concrete, tile, grout. Every 3 to 6 months, they do have to have the treatment for the floors to look pristine. We have some buildings that are very, very old, and with the strip and wax or seal that we do, if you don't take care of them or you don't treat them well, it won't be cost effective, because you will have to replacing your floors every 10, maybe earlier than 10 years. But if you're treating them and you're putting the wax and the seal, it can be 30 to 40 years. So it's most cost effective to have those treatments on the flooring.